saying, hey, we don't know what kind of drones they is. We don't know, but there ain't no harm. How the heck you don't know what they is, but you can tell us there ain't no threat. They not no harm. If you can tell us that, then it must be yours. You know somebody, you had somebody to do it for what reason? It's a lot of reasons. Why all of a sudden now they want to freely talk about aliens and stuff? Yeah, my channel is about alien knowledge, but I rarely talk about aliens.
Point updated.
All points updated. I don't have an SD card in this.
Aircraft approaching.
You heard that?
Fly at a safe altitude.
All right. Now it told me I can fly at a safe altitude, right? Told me, man, aircraft approaching. Watch this. I'm fixing it. Is it okay here? Now I'm getting ready. There's the takeoff button. There's the takeoff button. Let me hit takeoff. Watch this. You see that? Telling me I can fly with caution, right?
Manned aircraft too close.
You heard that?
Fly at a safe altitude.
Manned aircraft too close. Land at a safe altitude. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that?
Manned aircraft approaching. Fly at a safe altitude.
It's restricted. Restricted. Now I'm gonna hit OK.
Fly with caution.
It won't turn on. It's not gonna allow me to turn on. Are you looking at this? Can you see this? Cause I got the camera pointed at me. There it is. I told it to fly. It ain't gonna fly. I'm in a restricted area. So why would Congress lie?
Aircraft approaching. Fly at a safe altitude.
It's telling me I can fly. It's telling me I can fly. It's telling me to fly at a safe altitude. It's telling me, man, aircraft is flying, coming, approaching. But guess what now? This thing here, this aircraft here, got a built-in transponder hooked directly to my aircraft number. This controller tells them where I'm at, exactly where I'm standing. But it ain't gonna fly. DJI. There's regulation in place.
Aircraft too close.
There's regulation in place. Let's try it again. The aircraft will automatically take off to an altitude of 1.2 meters. Avoid taking off in confined spaces or crowd. That's what's written on here. Let me show you so you don't think I'm lying. Because right now everything's communing with the satellite. So if they want to put their hands on me, they can come right here to my yard, to my driveway. Hey, you flying a drone? Restricted zone, still not gonna let me fly. Oh, we're done with that.